guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can play this really fun cooking game. It's sort of kind of like Diner Dash, I think, but it's really fun to play with your friends. So it's free, by the way. You're just going to either go to a server or go into like a call. So go to a voice channel, go to any voice channel, and you're going to select start an activity, and you're going to scroll down and you're going to select Chef Showdown. You're going to select authorize for the app. I'm just going to turn this off. Okay, so there's either score attack or versus. Select select any one that you want. Select play. Select play again, and what you can do basically is you are going to serve them like they're going to order salad, fries, burger, and Coke. We'll just start to play. It's way more fun if you play it with a friend, but this is just an example. So you move it by using the mouse. So you go to the drink and you're just going to serve that to them, or the salad. If you want to, if they ask for like a burger, you're just going to select the patty first, put it on the grill, and just wait for it to cook. If they ask for fries, you're just going to select it, select the burger, and select the bun and give it to them. And again, for the fries, just get it and give it to them. And that's it. I'm just going to leave activity. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!